Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. We're here in the laundry room. I want to show you something that I found that works really good in cleaning your plumbing problems with the toilet. Okay, let me show you what we got. That's right, laundry soap. And you get a nice smell. So, what we're going to do, I'm going to take you back to my bathroom and I'll tell you what happened and what I do to solve it. Okay. Here we are on my toilet. Well, I don't know what I ate, what happened, but this got plugged. I got the snake. You know, you've seen them. You shove this thing. Let's see. You shove that thing down in there. I sit there and I snaked and I snaked and I snaked. And there just seemed to be something in there. Now, the place I work, I deal with the hazmat. And we have these acid bags. And laundry soap is acidic. So, what I did, I took this and I poured it down in there. Okay? Easy. Now, what you can do this every now and then because it helps keep everything fresh. Just, rub it around in there, clean it all up. Now, I had the snake in there, and I sit there and go, wow, whatever it is, slickly enough, it's going down. Okay? Now, it smells really nice, depending on what, scent you get in soap. The problem I had when I was flushing it, it was slowly going down. So I got up in the middle of my morning because I slept until noon because I was tired. And I ran the thing up and down, solid. So, now we flush it. It's going to go all the way around. Then it goes down. I think instead of buying this expensive plumbing stuff, which is an acid in itself, I think it'd be better to use the laundry soap because it's cheaper. You still get the same clean. Let me get up. Still get the same clean. And it smells good. So remember, forget liquid plumber. Use your laundry soap. It will keep your bathroom smelling nice. Keeps the toilet looking nice. All the pipes will keep clean because you figure, when was the last time you seen any of your wash machines, the pipe plug up and coming up through? I've never had that problem. So here is the way you can take care of your pipes, keep your toilet clean, and keep your pipes clear. And thank you for stopping by my homestead. Hope you learned something. I did. Because I remembered. Laundry soap will eat through an acid bag. You have an awesome day. God bless.